Hey, today I have the Amaze Life Precision Contouring Gauge Tool. This comes with two pieces. This is the smaller one and this is the large. Also comes with a tape measure, a pencil sharpener, and a pencil, which is great, but I would use a regular golf pencil, but this one has an eraser. Yay! This is a tool that anyone could use, and it's good to have it, especially for those who like to hang wallpaper, or they're in need for something custom to like cut a piece of tile, like around the corner. This is amazing. So it comes with a lock. So basically, you just put it up like that. There we go. This way, it's easier now to just make that precise cut around for your wallpaper. And you don't make a big mess and mess up a nice expensive piece of wallpaper. I guess you can call them slats. They go back and forth. They slide back and forth as you're contouring. And you can lock it in place. So it's lightweight plastic, very durable. If you get something on it, it's easy to wipe off. But this is a tool that any person should have in their toolbox, even the girls. Especially if you like to hang wallpaper, this would be a wonderful tool to use. I will have the YouTube address, the Amazon URL. Yeah, meet Mork. Yeah, he's getting into this little. He wants to be known. Hi, Mork. So I will have the Amazon URL on my YouTube.